Hey there, this is Stephen Gerard with my review of the Skullcandy Terrain Series speakers for the Best Buy blog. I'll be taking a look at all the features and differences between the devices to see which kind would be perfect for you. I will say, after testing them out, they're very handy speakers, being extremely easy to use, simple to set up, and with a very durable design, making it perfect to be taken outdoors or to any social gathering you might be going to, further pushing the boundaries of what Skullcandy has to offer as a brand. Now, starting off with the unboxing here, there wasn't actually much inside the boxes themselves. It was packed in very neatly with a small container that had the USB charging cable here that goes one end there directly into the speaker and one end into the USB of a computer or charging dock. I didn't actually recognize it as a USB at first, but it just doesn't have the metal case on it, and it still works just the same as any other USB. Now, each device did come with a set of manuals, the Mini XT only having the single English manual, while the others had ones in French and Spanish. The instructions themselves are extremely clear, having everything you need to know about how to use these devices and the different kind of options you have available, as well as including some of the specifications and online abilities. Now, each of them did also come with a set of stickers here, which I thought was a nice touch. Comes with the logo as well as the brand name there that you can slap on anything you want from the speakers themselves to a computer. And lastly was the speakers themselves that we'll be taking a look at the features for in just a moment here. Now, getting into the review, all devices are fairly similar in their make. The main differences obviously are the sizes, as you can see here. The Mini TX is definitely the smallest, especially when compared to the extra large Terrain there, and the regular Terrain being a good middle ground. Overall, they have mostly the same features, with battery life being the biggest difference I was able to notice, and there is a notable difference in audio quality, but it's not too significant where I feel like it's the biggest factor in the decision. I'd mainly go with based on what your budget is or what you really need the device for and how much you're going to be using it. Now, going into the features here, we have at the front of the device, using the regular Terrain as an example, we have the volume up and volume down button. At the bottom here, this feature goes in and out, same as it would for a soft cover of bass. And the middle button that is used to control the device, it's both a media function, pausing and skipping, and it also allows you to perform other options when controlling your device. Now, on the side here, one of my favorite aspects of it is the grip there. As you can see, it has a small metal bar in there, which you're able to wrap this paracord around. It comes in here already, and you're able to untie it and take it out completely if you did want to have it without it, although I would recommend having it on when using it, as it does provide another layer of protection when using your device, as you can tie it up somewhere, and it also makes a great carrying handle, as you can just slide your wrist right through it and take it wherever you go. It's fairly light as well. I gotta say, all speakers, I was able to even carry them all in one hand. It felt a little awkward with how they're shaped and being different sizes and all. It still wasn't that heavy comparatively to most other speakers you'd find, which makes it especially great for taking with you anywhere you go. Now, to get into actually controlling the device, underneath the cord here, we have the different button options. This is what allows you to connect to the Bluetooth as normal, the charging port, as well as as you can see, the main control there. This is what allows you to turn the device on and off, as you can see here. Makes a nice startup sound with the
ready to pair
display there saying how it's ready to pair. All I'd have to do is connect my phone to Bluetooth, press this button there, and I'd be all ready to go. And there are other settings you can perform. If you double tap this or triple tap it, you can change the different device pairing modes.
True wireless pairing.
It goes into the wireless pairing there. Now, if I grabbed a second speaker here with the Terrain Extra Large, I'll turn that on as well.
Connected.
And then I'll turn on the pairing mode for that as well.
True wireless pairing. True wireless connected.
There we are. And now we have two speakers that are both connected. All it took was a few seconds, no messing around in the Bluetooth options. I was able to do it completely through these two devices that automatically connected to my phone using Bluetooth. It says you're able to connect up to 99 devices, and while I haven't had that many to be able to test it so far, they do work great with just the 3 here, having seamless audio connectivity between them and fairly solid audio quality overall. The bass was a little muddier than I'm used to with these speakers, but again, with the varying budgets here, you're able to kind of pick something that would be better for your uses. The small here might have some of the weaker audio, but it's still a very solid device, and it's handy with its size, being able to fit squarely into any bags you might have, while it might be a little more difficult to carry around this larger Terrain speaker. Although they all have the handy paracord that allows you to hook it up wherever you are, having multiple of these tied around trees or areas of your backyard makes for a great soundstage. Here I actually have an example of it being tied up on a pole. You can hang this up on any kind of medium-sized tree branches, hang it underneath things as well. With being able to fully remove the cord, it gives you a lot more customizability in it. You can also replace it with an even longer one if you wanted to. And one of the other features I did want to discuss was the stereo speaker pairing, allowing you to connect two speakers as a stereo system, one for the left channel, one for the right channel, which takes two fairly good sounding Bluetooth speakers and then turns them into a actually much higher quality stereo experience, providing better audio wherever you are on the go with either size or shape Terrain speaker. Great if you have a friend who wants to bring their own and you each have one. You just set them up together and you can have both playing at the same time with synchronized audio in great sounding quality. With how many features these devices share in both build quality and in the features such as the multi-device pairing and the stereo connectivity, the main incentive in which to choose out of the three comes down to the budget and size that you're looking for. If you're looking for a compact device that's both durable and still provides good quality audio, you'll want to go with the Terrain Mini XT, offering an impressive 12 hours of battery life for its size, including a waterproof design. Whereas if you're looking for a more dedicated speaker, you may want to upgrade to the larger Terrain XL model, offering up to 4 more hours of battery life for a total of 18, which is definitely the best if you're going on long trips without power and want farther reaching sound to cover a larger area. Meanwhile, the standard Terrain is also a great middle ground option between the two for those who kind of want better audio quality compared to the Mini XT without wanting to fully commit to both the size and the higher price point of the Terrain Extra Large. Personally, I wish more brands would do this kind of device line where they have multiple different options for different budgets and providing better options further down the line to give people a chance to pick something that fits their lifestyle better than going with the standard 1 or 2 options that most brands offer these days. Overall, I'm very impressed with the Skullcandy Terrain series speaker line, offering plenty of features and customizability in the multi-device pairing, the submersible technology, all being great for the outdoors and any kind of scenario you're in. And I find there's not a lot of competition on the market for this kind of device. It's a very outdoorsy speaker at this kind of budget as well, with the Mini TX being half the price of the Terrain XL. And if you want to learn more about these devices or any of Skullcandy's other products, you can do so over at the Best Buy blog.